I'm ABC 13 meteorologist Alita Loresca with a look at the tropics. Things are still nice and quiet across the Atlantic basin. And as you know, we continue to monitor this area of disturbed weather. That area that we are watching, the core of that system right now, is starting to move across the northern parts of Florida. At this point, there's still about a 40% chance for tropical development, but this system is very lopsided, where most of the showers and thunderstorms are actually to the west of that center of circulation. And right now, most of our computer models, our tropical models, are keeping this, hugging the coastline there of the northern Gulf Coast, pushing it in toward Louisiana, around the southeast parts of Louisiana, or maybe even Mississippi here by Thursday. And then heading into Friday morning, a couple of the tropical models keep it offshore and potentially impacting southwest Louisiana late in the day on Friday and into Saturday morning, pushing inland. At this point, we know that high pressure should keep this system away from any direct impacts to southeast Texas, but nonetheless, we are going to see some tropical moisture moving in here. And there's some signs we could get some of these showers, a couple of these thunderstorms as early as Thursday afternoon into Thursday night, increasing the showers and storm possibility. And then looking ahead to Friday, where you have a bigger risk, a higher threat for some tropical downpours and thunderstorms. And that may linger into Saturday before we start to see some drier conditions. In addition to that tropical disturbance, we're also monitoring the potential for some Saharan dust. Before that, that dust will eventually arrive later on today. Some flooding concerns, of course, with some of these tropical downpours with that disturbance between Lake Charles, around Baton Rouge, around Lafayette. Morgan City could be dealing with some very heavy rains. For us, there is going to be a flood risk, a level 1 and 2 out of 4. Meanwhile, if this does get a name, the next name on the list would be Dexter. Looking at the Saharan dust that I just mentioned, it is on the move and will be traveling closer toward Houston as we get into the afternoon and evening hours. For now, that's a look at your tropical update.